Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Guys, itolo bantu balale ngetindzaba letibhlungu labanye bavuke ngato letindzaba letibhlungu tokuthi akasekho emhlabeni lebesimati ngamahlala entabeni lapha kuMoja Love ku-umndeni mahlala entabeni bheka mfati wamaseko wokuqala lebantu labaningi bebambita ngamamkhulu so ushiye emhlabeni ngemva kokuthi athathe impilo yakhe itolo 25 December 2025 balabaningi bashaqeke ngendlela lesimanga ngemva kokuthi bativele itindzaba lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana ukuthi akasekho emhlabeni mahlala entabeni bantu basho ukuthi hayibo Tsala simbona expose iMoja Love and ama-video exposing iMoja Love ukuthi ayimbhadali iyaba-exploiters waze washo nokuthi ngoJanuwari yaku-podcast ko-expose iMoja Love akhiphe onke amafayela eMoja Love utibuleleke umahlala entabeni wathusa abantu labaningi ngendlela lesimanga because people really didn't see that coming because naye kuma-videos akhe bekasho ngokuthi ngeke aze ayithathe impilo yakhe akazange kena abazange bantu bathemba because people were saying ukuthi hayibo uthi ngeke azatibulale nje njani indzaba ngathi kulendzaba kunesandla semfene ushiye incwadi ke la ibhalile mahlala entabeni la ibhalile emndeni wakhe nebantu abakhe lefundzeka ngalendlela. To my loved ones, I think that I was treated unfairly enough, especially from Moja Love team. I will always take care for my mom and my kids. Sorry Mimi, sorry Mpilo, sorry Ndalo. Ningixolile ngale nto okufunza la because nami angiboni kahle. Uqhubeke wathi I think I was bullied enough because of Livuane and Julia. Ayizange yaphelela ke lapha incwadi yamahlala entabeni uqhubekile wabhala wathi ngiyaqhubeka ngifunda njengoba injalo mova amaphutha ngiloko lokubhaliwe. Uthi I did nothing wrong to them but at the end they treated me unfairly. I was asking for my money over and over but they failed me. They sabotaged me, especially Livuane. She bullied me to so much to the extent that I feel that I am nothing. But when I was working for them, I was nice, making money for their company. But at the end, they did not want to pay me for no reason. Lencwadi lena ubhalile ukuthi uyibhale mhla 24 ku-December 2025 njengoba siyibona ishukekile guys kubhlungu kakhulu kuloku wendekile. People are just still in disbelief ukuthi hayibo vele utibulele umahlala entabeni. Guys, we expected more from her because ushilo ukuthi usatoba expose waze washo ukuthi ngoJanuwari uya ku-podcast ufuna kukhipha tonke tigaqa teMoja Love ufuna kubashiya bangqunu. Some people are dragging her lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana saying ukuthi she was so selfish kunganaza tibulalele iMoja Love tibulalele imali ashiye abantu abanye for imali njengoba sibona siba lenkosi ubhalile uthi if this is true she is very selfish. How could she kill herself? Abantwana kumele bona basale bahlupheka. Hayi waphendula kena uHanje wathi just because of a fake show. Waphendula ke futhi again wathi qabanga nje ayisuka. Yo guys, this is so sad nkosi yami.
Game on. Moja Love asihlangane nisiboneni ke manje.
Besides amafayili wabo amafayili wabo abolile guys. Durban, where are you? Cape Town, where are you?
Kunabantu eDurban abalahlekelwe imisebenzi ngendaba yeMoja Love basebenzisa izinto zasemsebenzini ukuthi bashute kuphuma icontact. Namhlanje bahlela abasebenzi. Kubuya kancane.
Bahlukene namakhampani wabo anzima ekubeka bakhulisela abantwana ezindlini zabo because of fake content. Sugar Mommy, there was a lady obeka driver truck. That lady his bamskemile. She was scammed because of Moja Love. Namhlanje icompany imthrow out ushanyela iskontiri ucosha amaphepha izingane zilambile izingane azidli then they don't care abasena ndaba bona because of bakutholile bakufunayo kuye babenefitile the way babenefite ngakhona inside the office now as we speak.
Asivali sizoqhubeka kuseza siyabuya sisazodlula South Africa nisazozwa kusasekuncane lokho sisaya phambili sizosuka manje sizoya ku-embassy yase South Africa sikwazi ukuhlangana namanye ama-embassy ngendaba eyenzeka bayazi ukuthi kwenzeka iletha yakhona ngisasenayo Siyabonga.
Siphezu kwayo naleyo.
Danke.
Khathele.